In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Yahoo Mail app. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, you'll find this guide useful to get the app up and running in no time. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser that you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, you're going to type in Yahoo Mail app and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to the Yahoo Mail app. As you scroll through the results, look for the official Yahoo website. It's crucial to ensure you're downloading the app from a legitimate source to avoid any security issues. Usually, the official Yahoo site will appear near the top of your search results. Click on this link to enter the Yahoo Mail download page. Once you're on the official Yahoo site, you'll be presented with options to download the app for either Android or iOS. The site usually detects your device type and suggests the correct version for you. However, if it doesn't, don't worry. You can manually select the appropriate version based on the device you're using. There might also be a QR code available on the page that you can scan with your phone to quickly go to the app download page in your App Store. If you're using an Android device, you'll be redirected to the Google Play Store. For iOS users, you'll be taken to the Apple App Store. In either store, you should see the Yahoo Mail app. Just click the Install button to begin the download. Remember, you might need to enter your device password or use your fingerprint or facial recognition to authorize the download. After the download is complete, your device will automatically install the app. This could take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is finished, you'll see the Yahoo Mail app icon on your home screen. Tap on it to open the app. Now you're all set to start using Yahoo Mail on your mobile device. If you already have a Yahoo account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, you can create a new account directly from the app. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Yahoo Mail app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Yahoo Mail on the go.